Today we're going to welcome back, by the way. Thank you for hanging on. I know it's been a while since we made a video, but today what we're going to do is we're going to change a blade on this Gravely ZTX-52. It's the 18-inch blades, and it's very simple. Take a look. We'll be back right now. All right, so we're here underneath the Gravely ZTX-52, and this works for pretty much any mower. Here's what we want to do, and there's one that's not replaced yet. I'll show you that one, taking it off, but we're going to do this in reverse because I already took one off and we have 3 blades to change. So here we go. Notice that I am putting it back at the same angle so that there's pretty good balance, fairly decent balance on this rotation. If you rotate counterclockwise, the blade will cut you, and so remember that for the direction. You want to place the washers back the exact same way that they were on, because they are compression washers. They have a little bit of an angle to them, and they get good pressure on the blades so that they fit in there pretty tight. You screw it down, and then you use your eyeball to sort of see what a good angle is, so you have them all at the same angle. Then you take your trusty impact wrench that you get from any big box store, place it in forward, and you go until you get no more turning. So this looks really good. I'm getting no more turning. I'm using an impact wrench. It's a Vapor brand from AutoZone. You can see that. Yeah. So, and we'll move over to the next one. The next one is over there. What happens to the blades when you use them on large sticks and stuff. I sharpened these blades, but they broke off. You get a really bad imbalance, which you don't want. simple, real simple job. Remember that it's counterclockwise. You cut yourself, so get these all at the same angle. Put this washer back up there. Nut back on. Simple as that. Thanks for joining me here, back on the ranch. And we just changed our ZTX-52 lawnmower blades, 18 inches. Really simple fix. So all you need is your impact wrench, air tool, air compressor. A jack would make it handy. I got mine jacked up here. And that's about it. See you next time on the ranch. Deuce.